Hi, I'm Ron Pacioni with the K-Grant Luxury Team. So we're in front of our 80th place listing, and we're going to be doing an event this weekend on Saturday the 27th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. It's not to purchase, it's to bid. We want you to come by. We have an invitation to bid. It's a fully remodeled house, electrical, plumbing, roof, sewer line, everything's been redone. Come by and join us. You won't forget it. Look at this surprise. Has a CASITA with refrigerator and freezer. Oh, there you are. Well, how'd you like it? It's an amazing home, isn't it? Well, remember, Saturday the 27th from 9 a.m. to 3. Come on by and make your bid, and this home could be yours. I'm Ron Pacioni with the K-Grant Group and My Home Group.